Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Oke, good evening everyone.
Good evening,
Good
Miss.
evening, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, Miss. I'm
I'm
good.
fine,
And
thank you,
you?
Miss.
I'm fine too. Okay, glad to hear that. Before we start our lesson, let's play together. Let's pray together according to our own belief. Prayer begin. Thank you. Now, let me check your attendance. Alda Fuadia,
Present, Miss.
Mutia Rista,
Present, Miss.
Naila Putri.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Okay, class, before we start, I want to ask you something. Have you ever met a new friend?
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Miss.
When you meet someone for the first time, what do you usually say to them?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi. Hello. Hi.
betul. Usually we introduce ourselves first. But today we're going to learn about self-introduction. Before I start presentation, I will give you one video example. Please listen to it carefully. I want you to pay attention to the information in this introduction.
Okay, Miss.
Is there the audio?
No.
No, no.
Jadi audionya coy. Oh ini, belum dipencet. How to introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm 7 years old. I live in Jakarta. My father is a doctor. And my mother is a teacher. I have a younger sister. Her name is Emma. My hobbies are reading and singing. I like reading storybooks. I love ice cream. I want to be a singer. Nice to meet you. Okay. Is it enough or do you want to repeat it?
Enough,
Enough.
Miss.
Okay, good. Now, let's discuss it together. Now tell me, what information do you find in the example? You want to
Name.
answer?
Name.
Naila.
Okay, Naila.
There is a name, age, address, hobbies. Done, Miss.
Udah. Uh, Is there another answer?
Alda, Miss.
Alda, silakan Alda.
Father's name, mother's name, sister's name.
And one else? There is
Dream.
dream.
Mm-mm.
Right. Okay, good answer, guys. Now, do you have any question before we continue?
Not yet.
Enough. Next, Miss.
Okay, all right. Let's move on. I want you to pay attention to the PPT. First, what is introduction? Introduction is an expression used to introduce ourselves to other people. Through self-introduction, we can share personal information such as our name, age, school, address, and hobby. Self-introduction is commonly used when meeting someone for the first time, joining a new class, or participating in a formal event. Jadi di sini introduction itu adalah ungkapan yang digunakan untuk memperkenalkan diri kepada orang lain. Jadi dalam kehidupan sehari-hari ini kita kan pasti butuh banget ya perkenalan, kayak entah pas kita datang ke suatu event gitu kan, ketemu orang-orang baru, ketemu teman-teman baru, pasti kita butuh perkenalan untuk bisa jadi ngobrol lebih lama lagi, untuk ngobrol lebih banyak lagi gitu kan. Is it clear?
Clear.
Yes.
To the next slide. Let's talk about the social function. The social function of self-introduction is to introduce ourselves and exchange personal information with others. It helps people know each other, begin conversation politely, and build good communication in everyday life. Through self-introduction, students are expected to communicate confidently and respectfully with teachers and classmates. Jadi selanjutnya ini adalah social function atau fungsi-fungsi dari self-introduction. Jadi fungsi utamanya adalah untuk memperkenalkan diri dan saling bertukar informasi pribadi dengan orang lain. Selain itu, self-introduction juga membantu kita untuk memulai percakapan dengan sopan, membangun hubungan yang baik, serta meningkatkan rasa percaya diri ketika berkomunikasi dalam bahasa Inggris. And now, I will ask you, why do we introduce ourselves? Want to answer?
To introduce ourselves, Miss.
Okay, to introduce ourselves. Good, Naila.
Mutia, Miss.
Mutia, silakan.
To give personal information.
Yeah, very good, Mutia. And then the last one?
Alda, Miss.
Alda, silakan.
To start communication politely.
Okay, very good, guys. Now, we're going to learn about language features. Self-introduction use pronouns to refer to ourselves and other people. According to the lesson plan, students learn 3 types of pronouns. The first is subjective pronouns. There are I, you, he, she, we, and they. And the next is objective pronouns. There are me, you, him, her, us, and them. And the last is possessive pronouns. There are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. Untuk language feature ini adalah penggunaan pronouns atau kata ganti orang. Sesuai dengan yang tertera di PT, ada 3 jenis pronoun, yaitu subjektif, objektif, dan posesif. Penggunaan pronoun ini membuat kalimat menjadi lebih efektif. Karena jadi kita nggak perlu ngulang apa yang udah kita sebutkan. Contohnya, my name is Hana. I am a teacher. Kata I di sini tuh untuk menggantikan kata Hana di sebelumnya. Jadi kita tidak perlu mengulang kata-kata yang sebelumnya sudah disebutkan. And then, if I say, my friend likes me, what is me? Who can answer?
It's me. It's me. Me, object pronoun.
Nice, very good, Alda. Thanks for the answer. And next slide is expression of introduction. Common expression. Ada hello, let me introduce myself. And next is hi, my name is. And the next is good morning, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. I am. And the last is I would like to introduce myself. My name is. This expression can be used in both formal and informal situations. Choosing the appropriate expression depends on whom we are speaking to and the situation. Jadi ini adalah contoh-contoh ungkapan yang dapat digunakan untuk memperkenalkan diri. Seperti yang tadi disebutkan, itu bisa diungkapkan dalam situasi formal maupun informal. Tapi yang perlu diperhatikan itu adalah kita harus bisa memilih ungkapan yang sesuai dengan lawan bicara dan situasinya. Now I want to ask you, which expression can we use in a formal situation? Which one?
Yes. It's like good morning everyone, or allow me to introduce myself.
Oke, good, Naila. Terus kalau buat yang informal, kita bisa pakai yang mana nih? Misalnya mau nyapa pertama kali ketemu, yang mana nih yang nggak formal?
Hello, Miss.
Hi.
Hi, hello. Hi, my name is hello gitu.
Ya, betul sekali, guys. Next slide is the structures of self-introduction. Yang pertama ada a simple self-introduction generally consists of greeting, hello and good morning. And the next is personal information, like I live in, I'm a student, my hobby is. And the next is introducing yourself. Ada my name is, ada I am. And the last is closing. Nice to meet you and thank you. Jadi untuk self-introduction itu biasanya pertama-tama diawali dengan greeting. Atau salam ya, kayak hello, good morning, hi, gitu kan. Terus selanjutnya memperkenalkan diri, kayak menyebutkan nama, dan kemudian menyebutkan informasi pribadi, seperti sekolah, tempat tinggal, atau hobi. Dan yang terakhir adalah closing, seperti nice to meet you or thank you. Jadi kalau pakai struktur ini tuh lebih runtut, jadi mudah dipahami gitu kan. And next slide is example of self-introduction. Let's look at the PPT. I will read it loud and you can pay attention to it. Oke, Miss mau baca ini nih ya. Kalian dengerin baik-baik dan nanti akan ada pertanyaan.
Siap, Miss.
Hello everyone. Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Karina. I am a student at senior high school. I am 18 years old. I live in Bandung. My hobby is singing. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Nah, itu adalah salah satu contoh self-introduction. And now, can you identify which sentence is the greeting? Who can answer?
Mutia, Miss.
Mutia, silakan.
Hello everyone.
Okay, very good, Mutia. Thank you for the answer. And the next question is, which sentence tells us the personal information? Kalimat yang mana aja nih yang ngasih tahu personal information? Siapa yang mau jawab?
Alda, Miss.
Alda, silakan.
My name is Karina. I'm a student. I'm 18 years old. I live in Bandung. My hobby is singing.
Nice, very good, Alda. And the last question is, which sentence is the closing? Who want to answer? Naila, do you want to answer?
Yes,
Okay,
Miss.
Naila, silakan.
The part Nice to meet you and thank you.
Yes, very good, Naila. Thank you for that. And the next slide is tips for self-introduction. Speak clearly and confidently. Use polite expression. Give correct personal information. Maintain eye contact with the listener. Use appropriate pronunciation and intonation. These tips help students communicate more effectively when introducing themselves. Jadi biar self-introduction bisa disampaikan dengan baik, ada beberapa hal nih yang perlu diperhatiin. Pertama-tama ya, kita harus bicara dengan percaya diri dan dengan jelas ya. Biar orang-orang yang dengar kita perkenalan itu bisa dengar dengan jelas ya. Terus ada menggunakan ungkapan yang sopan. Kayak, karena pertama kali ketemu nih, kita kan belum kenal nih, masa langsung ngomong kata-kata yang tidak sopan gitu kan, tidak beretika gitu. Jadi kita harus menggunakan ungkapan yang sopan. Lalu yang ketiga, kita harus menyampaikan informasi yang benar mengenai diri sendiri. Jangan mau kenalan tapi ngasih informasi palsu gitu. Lalu ada usahakan menjaga kontak mata dengan lawan bicara, serta menggunakan pengucapan dan intonasi yang tepat agar pesan yang disampaikan dapat mudah dipahami. Now, setelah tadi beberapa example, saya minta satu volunteer yang mau introduce themselves. Siapa yang mau perkenalan diri?
Mutia, Miss.
Mutia boleh, Mutia silahkan.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Mutia. I'm a college student at Universitas Indraprasta PGRI, and I'm 25 years old. I live in Jakarta. My hobby is reading novels. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Mutia. You spoke clearly. Pembicaranya sangat jelas ya, jadi yang mendengarnya bisa langsung paham. Ada lagi nggak yang mau introduce yourself? Apa Mutia aja?
Mutia aja, Miss.
Oke, yang lainnya udah paham ya?
Udah, Miss. Udah kenal.
Oke, bagus. Nah, selanjutnya ada summary. After learning this topic, students are expected to understand the social function of self-introduction, use appropriate expression to introduce themselves, apply pronouns correctly in sentences, give and ask for personal information, and the last introduce themselves confidently and politely in English. Jadi, setelah tadi beberapa materi yang saya sampaikan, ada self-introduction, fungsi sosial, unsur kebahasaan, berupa pronoun, dan berbagai ungkapan yang digunakan dalam perkenalkan diri. Jadi, diharapkan siswa-siswa mampu memperkenalkan diri menggunakan bahasa Inggris dengan percaya diri, menggunakan ungkapan yang tepat, serta berkomunikasi secara sopan sesuai konteks. And now, I'd like to ask you a few questions. Untuk question pertama, what if self-introduction? Siapa yang mau jawab?
Alda, Miss.
Alda, boleh, silahkan.
Self-introduction is an expression used to introduce ourselves to other people.
Okay, very good answer, Alda. And the second question, what is the social function of self-introduction? Siapa yang mau jawab?
Naila, Miss.
Naila, boleh, silahkan.
To introduce ourselves, exchange personal information, and start communication politely.
Okay, very good answer, Naila. Thank you. And the third question is, can you mention one expression of self-introduction? Who want to answer?
Mutia, Miss.
Ya, silahkan.
Hello. Let me introduce myself. Or, hi, my name is Mutia. Like that, Miss.
Oh yeah, okay, very good, Mutia. Thank you. And the fourth question, can you mention one subjective pronoun? Siapa yang bisa jawab?
Subjective pronoun, Miss.
Ya, subjective pronoun.
I, you,
Ya.
and he.
Okay, very good answer, Naila. And the last question. What information we include in self-introduction? Who want to answer the last question?
Alda, Miss Alda.
Alda, boleh, silahkan.
Name, age, school, address, and hobby.
Okay, very good answer, Alda. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much, guys, for the answer and for your attention. Today, we've learned about self-introduction, its social function, language features, expression, text structure, and how to introduce ourselves confidently. I hope after today's lesson,
Yeah.
you can introduce yourself in English correctly. Mungkin sampai di sini saja. Sampai di sini saja penjelasan dari saya. Thanks a lot for your attention. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. Thank you,
wabarakatuh.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Goodbye, everyone.